Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Art of Decor. Inspired to revamp your space with these trendy decor ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification to catch our next video. Here are some inspiring benefits of using LED lights for a beautiful garden makeover. Enhance aesthetics. LED lights can transform the appearance of your garden, adding a magical ambience and enhance its beauty. Especially during the evening hours, they come in various colors and styles, allowing you to create stunning visual effects and highlights key features of your garden. Extended enjoyment. With LED lights illuminating your garden, you can extend the enjoyment of your outdoor space well into the evening. Whether you are hosting gatherings, enjoying a quiet evening outdoor, or simply admiring your garden, LED lights ensure that your space remain inviting and functional after dark. Increase safety and security. Properly placed LED lights can improve safety and security in your garden by illuminating pathways, steps, and potential hazards. This is not only helps prevent accidents but also deters, introduce and enhance the overall sense of security around your property. Energy efficiency. LED lights are highly energy efficient, consuming significantly less energy than traditional lighting options. By using LED lights in your garden, you can reduce energy consumption and lower your utility bills while minimizing your carbon footprints. Longevity and durability. LED lights are known for their long lifespan and durability. They are resistant to shock, vibrant, and temperature functions, making them ideal for outdoor use in various weather conditions. With proper installation and maintenance, LED lights can last for many years, providing reliable illumination for your garden. Low maintenance. LED lights require minimal maintenance compared to traditional lighting options. They do not contain fragile filaments or glass components that can break easily, and they do not emit heat, reducing the risk of fire hazards. This means less time and effort spent on replacing bulbs and conducting repairs, allowing you to enjoy your garden without interruptions. Versatility in design. LED lights offer endless possibility for creative garden lighting designs. For accentuating architectural features or highlighting plants and sculptures, LED lights allows you to customize the look and feel of your garden according to your preferences. You can create dramatic effect, subtle accents, or particles lighting solutions to suit your specific need and style. Environmentally friendly. LED lights are environmentally friendly as they do not contain toxic materials such as mercury and lead found in traditional lighting options. Additionally, their energy efficiency reduces greenhouse gas emissions associated with electricity generations, contributing to a cleaner and healthier environment. Enhance plant growth. Certain LED lights designs for horticultural purpose can promote their plant growth and flowering in your gardens. By providing specific wavelength of lights optimized for photosynthesis, these lights can help your plants thrive, resulting in healthier and more vibrant foliage, flowers, and fruits. Versatile applications. LED lights can be used in various garden features, including pathway, borders, patio, decks, water features, and architectural elements. Their compact size and flexibility allow for easy installation in tight spaces, giving you a freedom to explore creative lighting solutions throughout your garden. By harnessing the power of LED lights in your garden makeover, you can create a captivating outdoor space that delights the sense, enhance the overall ambience, and energize your outdoor living experiences. Thank you so much. Take care.